Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we're going to be playing with the Matchbox Series number 5, Lotus Europa. Before we get started, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I have more to come. Let's get started. We've got the Matchbox Series 5 Lotus Europa. Kind of chipped up. Both A-pillars were cracked. I found out later on also the little strap running from the front to the back was cracked. So I had problems with that later on. I'd already drilled it out and tapped it. So let's take it apart and see what we got. Two screws held it on, and the front license plate looped through a tab on the front. You can just make out those broken A-pillars, and then that strap underneath the door on the one side was cracked. I'm not going to do anything to the base of the car, but put it in some lime away and then brush it up on the wire wheel. Get all the pieces into our stripper. Get the lid back on it. Give it a shake for good luck. Here's that base after 5 minutes in the lime away, and the little quick run on the wire wheel. Get our primer on. The Krylon Gray primer. Getting our paint on. Now let's scrub up our interior in a little hot water with some soap. The car was chipped up, but most of the paint was still there. But you could tell some kid had played with it out in the dirt because the interior was just gray with dust and dirt. Yep, I hate the trailer hitches. So since it's in my collection, I took it off. Windshield was in excellent condition, just dirty. Now we're going to dip it in some pledge along with the interior, which you can see I detailed up a little bit, painting the inserts on the seats. Always remember to dab your piece after it's done in the pledge. And get your cover on it to keep the dust off of it while it's drying, which in my house is very dusty. Since this is a restoration, I used my Molotov chrome pen and re-chromed the wheels. Here is all the pieces ready for reassembly. After I had to glue the body back together, I had a hard time getting the windshield back in and lined up perfectly. But again, it's in my collection, so I was happy with it. Here's a little look back at what we started with. Matchbox Series 5 Lotus Europa. Chipped up, play worn, dirty, leaning to one side. This is what she looked like when I was finished. I added the details in. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA saying goodbye.